Cell division is how a parent cell produces new daughter cells. It is essential for growth, repair, and reproduction. This is the foundation of all life. There are two main types of cell division. Mitosis produces identical daughter cells. Meiosis results in 4 unique gametes. Mitosis is the process of cell division. It occurs in somatic cells, which are the body cells. The DNA is copied and divided equally, creating 2 genetically identical daughter cells.
Mitosis creates identical daughter cells. Each has the same number of chromosomes as the parent. This process is essential for growth and tissue repair. It also powers asexual reproduction.
Prophase is the first stage of mitosis. Here, chromosomes condense and become visible. The nuclear envelope begins to break down. Welcome to the stage of metaphase. Spindle fibers pull the chromosomes to the center. Here, they align perfectly along the cell's equator. During anaphase, sister chromatids suddenly separate. They are pulled toward opposite poles.
Welcome to telophase, the final stage of mitosis. Here, nuclear membranes reform around each set of chromosomes. The chromosomes begin to uncoil and diffuse.
This is cytonesis. The cytoplasm divides, creating 2 identical daughter cells. Life successfully replicates, and the cycle continues. From repairing damaged tissues and healing wounds, to enabling asexual reproduction in many organisms, mitosis ensures perfect genetic continuity.
Meiosis occurs in reproductive cells. It produces 4 genetically different haploid cells, which are called gametes. Each daughter cell has half the chromosomes. This process fuels sexual reproduction and drives vital genetic variation. Cell division is vital for all life. It drives growth and development and replaces damaged cells.
Cell division is vital for all life. It heals wounds by replacing damaged cells, creates gametes for reproduction, and maintains chromosome numbers across generations. Like this video to give our cells some energy. Share it to spread the genetic code. And subscribe to never miss a breakthrough. Let's keep exploring together.